TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today's video is going to be about video transitions. So if you're like me, you always look for ways to increase or decrease your workflow time when you are creating and editing videos. That's one of my big drawbacks, is when I'm having to spend a lot of time in post editing my videos so I can post them to YouTube or for whatever project you're trying to do. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how I incorporate transitions into my workflow and also where I get them from. So we're going to get on over to the computer. So right now we have a website. It is Videohive.net. I'm not sponsored in any kind of way from this, but I purchased these transitions because they greatly reduce my workflow time and I can get a very good product for, you know, a little nothing. So this pack right here specifically is $45. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description section below if you want to purchase it. It does give you 1,300 seamless transitions that you can just drag and drop with Adobe Premiere Pro or whatever you have that you can drag and drop with Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump right into some of the features. So they do update this. So if you purchase it, you will get updates whenever the updates are available. So we are going to jump right into Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you exactly how to work with these. All right, so we're going to go to New Project, and we are going to just type in whatever, and okay. So right now I'm going to be working with 1080p clips. You can use this for up to 6K. So if you have 4K video, you can use this for 4K, or you can use it for 1080p. Right now we're just going to upload a couple of clips that are 1080p, and let's see, let's find a clip. Oh my god, so many clips on here. Let's get this clip right here. All right, this is a 1080p video that I shot of Chattanooga, and I think I got some transitions already in here, but that doesn't matter. So I'm going to mute this so we don't hear everything, and we're going to cut this out. All right, so let's just say you have several different clips and you want to incorporate some transitions in between the clips and you don't want to spend a lot of time doing that. You can just, I'm just going to cut out a couple of little divots here so we have some transitions that we can use. Delete that out, delete that, delete that. Now once you get these downloaded to your computer, you can import them into your project, and then you can use them for every one of the clips that you have. So what we'll do is we'll go right here, we'll import, and let's go to desktop. It'll say transition Premiere Pro. Double click on that. Now when you first download it, what I would do is I would go ahead and double click on the project file, because what that's going to do is it's going to create a new file that's going to be pulling all of the assets from your computer. That may not make sense to you right now, but just do what I say. All right, so this is the one that I actually did. We'll import the entire project. Now this does work on a Mac as well as a Windows. Right now I am using it on a Mac, but if you were using a Windows computer, it will be the exact same workflow. All right, so there they go. Double click on that. All right, so the cool thing about this is that you can actually preview what the transitions are before you actually apply them to your thing here. All right, so let's look at the some of the transitions we have here. So we have glitch, aberrations, flat, fade, glass, zoom, light leaks, modern, offset, panoramic, grande, spin, smudge, warp, stretch, split, shake, and perspective. So let's go to, I like the light leaks. Let's go to light leaks, and then let's go to long light leaks. So if you scroll right here, you can see exactly what those light leaks are going to look like, or whatever it is that you're going to do. So you can go through here and just kind of see exactly which one that you want to use. I kind of like this first one. This is the one I generally always use. So all you have to do is you click it and you drag it onto your project file. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in so you can kind of see exactly what's going on here. So basically what it does is it puts 3 preset transitions into your file. So like I said, you just drag it and drop it onto here. Now there are some that also come with sound. This one in particular does not. So if you want the sound, you can go in and you can add in some sort of transition sound. So we'll look at that here in a minute. All right, so as you can see right here, we have a red line. So what that means is that Premiere Pro needs to render the file. So all you have to do is you can click on the first little one right here and click enter. So it'll go through and it will render that out so that you can actually view the transition. So let's click right here and let's see what this transition looks like. All right, did you see that? All right, so there's the light leak. So let's go over here to the next one and we'll choose another one. So this was one of the problems that I had early on, is I didn't realize exactly how to work with the project files within a project. So at the top up here, these are all your folders that you've opened. So if you want to go back to light leaks, you can click on that. If you want to go back to all the folders, you can just click on that. So let's go to spin and let's do elastic lens. So like I said, that'll show you exactly what the transition is going to look like. And these are very, very high quality transitions, and they will take you such a long time to learn how to do all these transitions on After Effects. So that's why I say the presets are the way to go, because you can pay for them one time. You will get all the updates if they do come out with new transitions, and you can just drag and drop these and it will, you know, as soon as you put it on there, it's done. If you were to do these same transitions on After Effects yourself, it's going to take you quite a while to get these results. So let's do this one right here. It says right. We'll click on that one, drag it here. Okay, as you can see, this one does have a sound to it. So let's click on that and we'll go ahead and render the files out. Let's look and see what that looks like. All right, cool. So let's look at that again. All right, so let's find another one. Some of the newer ones that they had is the glitch profiles. I'm not gonna get into all of the ones that they have because they have so many on here that you can use. But I like the panoramic. I do like that one. That's a cool transition. Let's do that one. Next, we'll click and drag that. I mean, that literally takes like seconds. And that's why I like enter. It's actually already, it's done. So let's look at it. All right, and we will do one more just so you can make sure that you know how to do it. I do like the glitch profiles that I don't see on here. Where the glitch? There you go. I like the glitch. They have so many glitches on here. I can't even tell you which one I like the best, but let's go back. Signal. All right, let's put that here, and that one needs to render. Now it does take a long time sometimes to render if your computer's not as fast. I have a very fast Mac computer, so it doesn't take that long to render the files. So let's look at this. Look at that. All right, now let me show you something that I just encountered. So if you can see this file right here, it's actually the MP4 of the preview. So if you do get this, sometimes you do get the preview, all you have to do is click on that little part right there and delete it. And we will render the files again, because what you want to make sure that you don't have the preview in there, because it is going to ruin the transition effect, because you want to make sure that you're transitioning from one scene to the next. There you go. Let's look at it again. All right, and that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you exactly how I utilize those transitions. They do cost $45. You can look at it as an investment in your time. I mean, how much is your time worth? It is going to take you quite a bit of time to get these transition results yourself. So that's it, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Thanks, guys, for watching.